Let me show you how to use a Drawing Assist or the Creative Studio on your Samsung Galaxy S26 or also the Ultra as well, if you have that as well. So first simply go in your settings and we have to enable it. So go in the Galaxy AI and Creative Studio. So this is what it's called this year. And make sure it's enabled over here. And the way you launch it, so for example, if you have the Ultra, as soon as you basically pull out the S Pen, you should see like a pencil thing that you can click here and you can launch it from there. But if you have the regular S26, then simply pull out your Edge panel here, and you see you also have the Creative Studio here. So you see it actually has received an overhaul compared to the past S25. So for example, let's see. We can create some stickers here, invitations, wallpapers. You can choose different things that you can do here. For example, okay, you can see your recent project here. Also, if you click this, so let's see this thing on the bottom here, you can quickly launch it, something. So for example, either you can describe what you want to create, or also, for example, click this like scribble thing, okay, and then you can kind of draw something. Basically, I'm kind of terrible drawing with my finger here, but okay, let's see what it comes up with. So also you see you can change the style for it, in what kind of style you want to create it. For example, let's set this one and click generate. Let's see what it can come up with. Okay. Let's see, it takes, okay, yeah, no idea what that even is, but yeah. Okay, also you see, you can like describe here what you want, basically. Let's see if you can do it actually. So yeah, actually, as you see, pretty cool. And yeah, I see also he has different styles here that you can choose from. So simply like generate. Also, for example, you can choose to use any image as well, basically in your drawing. For example, you take a picture of something here. So you take basically this over here and actually good example. So let's see what it actually comes up with. So it's going to use this image basically as well in your image that's going to create. And I guess you can even combine multiple different images as well. Probably not what I expected. Maybe I didn't do something wrong. What's going on today for me? Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, probably not the best sample, but yeah, you get the point. Good luck.